After many years of continuous operation, a raw mill begins to lose efficiency, showing signs of wear on its mechanical parts and internal liners. This is when the rehabilitation process begins, an essential step to ensure production continues at high quality. First, the mill is completely shut down and disconnected from the production line. A full inspection follows, covering the outer shell, main gears, bearings, and drive shaft. Next, the top cover is removed, and the worn internal liners, designed to protect the mill's shell from abrasion, are taken out. The alignment and measurement stage comes next, ensuring the shell is straight and free from cracks or deformations. If major damage is found, repairs are made by welding or replacing the affected parts. At the same time, bearings and oil seals are inspected and replaced to guarantee smooth shaft operation, with fresh lubrication applied to all moving components. Once new liners are installed, and the ball or rod spacing is set according to the mill's design, the cover is reassembled, and the alignment between the mill and the gearbox is adjusted. Finally, a trial run is carried out with a gradual material load, while monitoring vibrations and temperatures to ensure the mill is back to operating safely and efficiently. Rehabilitation is not just about fixing problems, it's about extending the machine's lifespan, improving performance, and maintaining stable production.